Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make smart choices for your home workout gear. Today, we're diving into the best Schwinn treadmills for 2025. Schwinn has been a trusted name in fitness equipment for years, known for their durability, innovative features, and user-friendly designs. Whether you're a beginner walker or a seasoned runner, there's a model that'll suit your needs perfectly. Let's jump right in with our top picks. First up is the Schwinn 810 treadmill. This bad boy is perfect for budget-conscious buyers without skimping on quality. It boasts a 2.75 chp motor, which handles speeds up to 12 miles per hour, and an adjustable incline up to 12%. The large LCD display tracks your calories, distance, and heart rate, plus it folds up for easy storage. Pros include its quiet operation and Bluetooth connectivity for your favorite workout apps, but it might not be ideal for heavy runners due to its weight limit of 300 pounds. Next, we have the Schwinn 830 treadmill, our pick for tech lovers. With a powerful 3.0 chp motor and speeds up to 12 miles per hour, it offers a spacious 20 by 60 inch running surface and up to 15% incline. What sets it apart is the integrated tablet holder and app compatibility for virtual training sessions. It's got built-in speakers and a fan to keep you cool during intense workouts. On the downside, it's a bit bulkier, so space might be an issue in smaller homes. If you're looking for something more advanced, check out the Schwinn 890 treadmill. This premium option features a 4.0 chp motor, speeds up to 14 miles per hour, and an impressive 15% auto incline. It includes a high-res touchscreen for streaming classes and detailed performance tracking. We love its cushioned deck for joint protection and multiple user profiles, but it's on the pricier side, making it best for serious athletes. Lastly, the Schwinn 411 compact treadmill is ideal for small spaces. With a foldable design and a 2.5 chp motor, it still delivers speeds up to 10 miles per hour and a 10% incline. It's lightweight and easy to move, with app integration for guided workouts. The only con is its smaller belt size, which might not suit taller users. In conclusion, Schwinn's 2025 lineup offers something for everyone, from budget options to high-end machines. Consider your space, fitness goals, and budget when choosing. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments which one you're eyeing. Stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.